Divorce is rarely easy and often means a lot of difficult decisions. One of the most important decisions is what to do about the house. In the midst of the heavy emotional and financial turmoil, what you need most is some non-emotional, straightforward, specific information and answers. Once you know how a divorce affects your home loan and taxes, critical decisions are easier. Neutral, third-party information can help you make logical rather than emotional decisions. Probably the first decision is whether you want to continue living in the house. Will the familiar surroundings bring you comfort and emotional security, or unpleasant memories? Do you want to minimize change by staying where you are, or sell your home and move to a new place that offers a new start? Only you can answer those questions, but there will almost certainly be some financial repercussions to your decision process. What can you afford? Can you manage the old house on your new budget? Is refinancing possible? Or is it better to sell and buy? How much house can you buy on your new budget? A free special report has been prepared to help you know what questions you should ask and how to arrive at the right answer for your specific situation. Claim your free special report now and start packing. Thank you for watching.